kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is number names from 90 to 100. So let's learn with me. 91 NINETYONE 91 91 92 NINETYTWO 92 93 NINETYTHREE 93 94 NINETYFOUR 94 94 95 NINETYFIVE 95 96 NINETYSIX 96 97 NINETYSEVEN 97 97 98 NINETYEIGHT 98 99 NINETYNINE 99 and 100 HUNDRED 100. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.